The importance of birds in their natural habitat. Birds play a fundamental role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. They are not only beautiful and fascinating, but they also perform essential functions for biodiversity and environmental health. 1. Seed dispersal. Many birds, such as toucans and macaws, feed on fruits and disperse seeds to distant areas, promoting the regeneration of forests and helping to preserve native habitats. 2. Pest control. Insectivorous birds, such as swallows and owls, help in the natural control of pests by feeding on insects and small rodents, reducing the need for pesticides and contributing to the health of ecosystems. 3. Indication of environmental quality. Because they are extremely sensitive to changes in the environment, birds act as bioindicators, signaling changes in climate, pollution, and habitat manipulation. 4. Nutrient cycle. Seabirds help fertilize soils by transporting nutrients from the oceans to land, contributing to more productive coastal ecosystems. 5. Culture and connection with nature. In addition to their ecological impact, birds have great cultural and spiritual importance for many communities around the world, being symbols of freedom, wisdom, and natural balance. Protecting birds is protecting the planet. The destruction of their habitats threatens not only these incredible species, but also the entire ecological chain that depends on them. Supporting conservation initiatives such as GreenParrotCoin helps preserve these beings that are essential to life on Earth. Join us in this revolution. Fly high with GreenParrotCoin.